cancel. Tomorrow I will go Epa, Lao, Agwe, that will carry. You, I are you. No believe my money, their money to do. No share the money. I want to give you space for a period of like, I know talking. Think God knows when. Because you are fond of doing it. When we newly met, why they give you that name? You know they talk. You were so not knowing that you were a pretender. You can't tell me that I was the one that just overnight I thought they make you the talk. You were pretending to be what you are not. What have you done for me? You use me climb. As far as I'm concerned, you use me climb. What have you done for me? Apart from children, where you give me, where you still the one make me and the church to enemy today. I never see person father, they maltreat picking where use a pre-born. If you beat them, you are right. If you quarrel with them, you are right. If me can't talk, I'm not right. Why suffer? I will so deal with you that you will call me a devil. Because why? I gave you long rope. After all the where I sleep for New Year, even that was night of Christmas last year, I not even quick come house. Because house not settled. When you come see me with woman, you want die. If I was away, now if I even make me and that babe leave each other, even if I single mother of 3, she dey give me joy. And then you can't change that period. Police. What did they bring police to so? The day I say me I do my thing, say no today now I go rich as a man. Oh I came do. And I say yesterday now, police. People they thought say not be Mama Nora they give person documents for Germany. Not be she cause who they never give me. Yes, the truth. Not be she really cause who they never give me documents. But Mama Nora contribute 97% why I cannot have document in Deutschland. Will make me change my mind. Say I give up on her forever. Man, where you know a condition be. I not even get document alone. It a pepper for body. You said not be you cause I never get documents. Yes, but have you ever sit down to ask me, honey, how this your issue of document be? How we go fit a waka? How we go fit a waka? Like what? You know, say I new come Germany. Have you ever asked me? If not be a power, we can't help me clear the debt. Where people say I can't know say I get debt. It is your duty as a wife to ask them why I don't get documents. But you lock up. I'll tell you. E baby no bebe ba e beni a no ye gbeka e ni ma we koko plan where bag we ni percent your mo any ma we me na me bi no agiri e benu now to celebrate how we mo 2019 I know you 20 you born you come for camp that year police come 2 times 2021 4 times 2022, even 6 times, I'll be 5 times. 2023, 5 times. I know how many times I don't sleep in my friend's house. As popular as I am. As if that is not enough. If police don't give me that 10 days to stay outside, she go dey confidential. Over relax. Man, where you say you born for. Then I never have put money for your head. You sleep confidentially. Without your man over here. My friends go still call you. They alive, they never die. Go reach your friends. But you now you want to correct Z. That's why Z tell you you don't feel correct her. Because why? That's why you not get what you want to do again for this life. You not get advice what you want to give person. Wait, be say you know you yourself will give that advice to person. Not go me. Your friends go beg you. Priska go beg. Piro go beg. Wisdom go beg. Make Enogie enter. This woman go say no. Now, so 10 days never complete. No, you want to kill me? No, you want me to die? You will baby. Wow. For all the time we may get correct, I get where I for still wrong you. Metal, not be awkward, not be you for wrong me. But have you ever wanted to admit, say you don't offend this man for once? And now what you Enogie do you? What you Enogie do you? What you Enogie do you? Now you see. I regret laying my hands on you. Yes. I'm not getting if you were me. But I'm done or Kunueladian or Yahweh if you were me. Calling police on me constantly when I decide to say no. Only I will not agree to what you are saying. You say, oh devil, you look my way, put money for your head. You look on. You say nonsense. You will not even know whether they put money for your head. As I speak to you now, it gave me the way they will draw my attention to. The way you for thought say you fuck under bribe plans. That simply means you have committed an abomination. And I thank God say since 3 days ago, I don't eat your food again. Yes, because you don't know what's in me for them to put money for your head. You're the local like fool. Like a zoo. I want me you talk. I want to see the useless idiots. I want me people know you say I married a stark illiterate as a wife. I can't cover your mess. People they beg me no get cut us. What's wrong with prank? Prank waiting. Before I was on a prank, I'll bend the issue better. Now, let's go to yesterday. No, it should be yesterday. That's what you do. I can't sit down. I can't say I've been here because I don't put money for this woman. Head. Because this life, not be one person they carry relationship they go. And two persons they carry they go. Yes. Not be one person. And two persons they carry relationship they go. But you see, Mama Nora, you are so lousy. For your mind, you didn't say you did do me. But you see all those your friends. Go check what Mama and Mama talk today. People where you think say they be your friends, they will run for you. If you can do your husband this kind of a thing, which Momo friend you want keep? Now, I can't still put money for your head. Now when me even couple money, now matter can't even high pass. Now that time if you can't even want to do like man, maybe they do like woman. You know they help me, but they help you they take the children they go school. And they help you they carry the children, they come back and they clean. Right? Okay. Now, we did the quarrel since 3 days ago. I can't even go party. Nobody knows who the quarrel because I make an agree. Anybody will tell say your wife on the quarrel. Now lie. That person lie. He goes say na lie. May I go see Mommy 3D? He husband very caring. May I go see the other one? He husband very caring. May I go see there was even a day when Mommy 3D used that word. And you don't still use that word even before I put money for your head. Say if na a pie you bought for you for born reach 8. My Facebook for talking now. You when me carry entire Facebook, I go fuck you up. I'll let you know say Momo well like Facebook na mo week bet you. You get with me for not still good though. Me have a talk with me. Because I do what I has about Wagmo. I has the same. Sometimes if friends go to Mama Nora na person will be say go reach the yeah girl we be want do Ashebi for loss. And so yeah, that one they talk. Yeah, they talk. That one go tell her say, my husband, very nice. My husband, too nice. Oh. The moment when me before I go to talk say, my sister, I don't know that way. Or if you go away and now we go set. I don't know that way. Anyway, we are no abusive words. Person wey you no know. Not be only that Ashebi. You don't insult me for your friends. You're there on call with them. Maybe you should go come up. As a wise woman, for you to tell your friends, yeah, babe, I'll call you back home. You go even want me that one no say with the quarrel, me for insult me for that one present. I say I cannot bear it again. You are missing loud. Is that when you are returning by president? It's as simple as that. I can't. It is better for me to start from square one than for me to continue dating you again or marrying you again. After the hour that comes out of your mouth, say you want to go fuck on top of bride price. You think say the verse. You think say why well on to back your wabo. But you know one thing. You have succeeded in making people to know that you are a useless person. And any married woman that is following you should be careful. If you are a married man and your wife is a friend to Mommy Nora, be careful. Be careful. Be very careful. May God bless those women, no matter what. Family day there now. You have a mother, you have a younger sister. You know my younger sister number, you know my mom number. I'm more than dear boy. Quarrel with the quarrel is 4 days. You run a entire video yesterday. That was not the first time. Whenever we have issues, you run to media. I don't know that the media will give you. Should be the media that they give you what you want now. I tell you, I say, people go support me, people go support you. People go saga me, people go saga you. As depressed as you are today, you go to pray for Frank Omozo. As depressed as you are. If I ever do you wrong, I will never have peace in my life. But you do me wrong. We plan something to say yes, we want to get document. Maybe we say, maybe for still get. Today now you are now telling me that about you will never have peace in your life. The only peace you will have is for the one you will use to take care of my children. But maybe you can't get peace of mind for yourself. You don't see now. As she wrote her live video yesterday, I never want to talk about time now because they cut a lot come out. Because we have a reserve. She wrote a Chibouin family yesterday. I removed her from all angles. What have I done there? I was trying to avoid that not to go on live. Even if I carry you into media, doesn't mean because the media to destroy me. Who do you destroy me? As she say, I remove her from all platforms. He say, what about TikTok? He say, if you don't do something, finish. This time around, so now house they dirty. Oh wow, yeah. Because me come off for 3 days, 4 days. I'm dirty. Ivere, the small one can't greet me now the toy. Imagine about you, I don't know. Say the audio I can't push on you. If all my audio can't greet me now push even though go away bona. When you be na baba can whether be me be. No, I don't push audio. You laugh on my head. It been me away. Yes. But I'm your way. You don't as me come from the party yesterday, I can't sleep. Maybe or talere, but now you God forbid. But my way they talk, they walk up past the room where for the sleep. When I wake up, I tell them, say, you don't feel call police on me, oh. I beg. They do your man, they do my own. Why not call police for me? When me slap her, when me blow her, why not call police for me? I look on the thing we can't exchange words. Some people could say, Enogie. If you and your wife they quarrel, they come up for us. She can't take advantage of that thing. Anytime we all get issue, she go young woman come up for us. There was a night when she called bass for me again. That they are not bitter. The recording day. I saved them. I can say maybe after 1 year of our marriage, she's not going to misbehave. I will delete all. As a smart person, I can't delete it. When she called the police around 10:15, police come, hello. He beat you, you say not beat me. Why did you call us for? And me, Mona tell me come out. The police say, for address when una two gather day. You remember I say your address day here. You remember I say your address day here. You can't leave. Please tell me, say, you be here in the parlor and you be in the room. No, my mental health. My mental health. Police were Calivan. Now, yesterday, Pa came to my house. He Pa begged us before he even entered the live video. La how we may. I look at Pa. He Pa drive from my house to my house in 45 minutes. He gave for over a day. No matter what. May I just keep calm, say I don't forget. Because that matter already vex me. Say she can't enter media. She go spend 5 hours for TikTok yesterday. As I look the way she did they talk. I laugh. I say I'll do them. If you go on life, I'll go on life. Maybe in Naka him here, or say on our way. So the matter can escalate. If we dey quarrel, you carry phone, begin to insult my friends, begin to lie to them. Hello, brother call. Where say oh, Enogie woman, Enogie where we ma, Enogie we ma, knock. Go insult all my friends, we begin to insult them. Now I do the same to her. Yesterday, I can't insult her friends. Well, after a while, my man, I know fit. I can't apologize to them. I can't explain to them. I say, see what thing happen. I can't say, okay, now so it happen. Before a pack come finally come. Okay, as a pack come, if now woman where they respect person, if now woman where get regard for somebody, when they party ni. Pa can tell you say get away. Even if you see the face, you respect it pa. Pa it a left. Pa makwe yo. Now, let's call a spade a spade. If for example, me can tell my man Nora say I dey vex for a pa, why a pa go give Sirikia mom? Sirikia is all my children. Is it right for her to come and tell Pa in his presence, say, hey, Pa, you want to be no Guinea? I'm aware. I was so annoyed that my mate thing I do well. Pa come over me, man. Police don't come yesterday night home. He can't rest. The sleep the thing after they break home. Based on Mumu where she be, they can't, I don't know who the advisor. I don't want to call names. They can't persuade her, say, carry that video, that part when I take quarry. Carry and go give you get out. Also that part, on a VVM about, on a real get out this morning. I say I come off house with the children. Me now be Yahweh because yesterday don't pass. My mama begged me this morning, no one me. La oh, marriage you wanna that way. Now we now me yati later. She do come back. She reach us, she begin to call police. Hello. Yes, please. I'm home now. Can you come? I felt the thing. I can't put here. One my man say, come up for us, oh. As police they come out, oh. Nah, I saw if you come up for us. I said, come on, my man, come tell me. He said, come back. You beat her, no. And why you want run? If you know you want to for your back. Now I come back to tomatoes. We cannot eat her food. She said, oh, she want fuck on top of me. The man, she has committed an adultery there. She has committed an hour there. Until that hour is being talked about. That one, he marry a man with her, one kind. You know that. Now I come back home. Begin to tell police. I record some. And I will play some. Me, you know, say, everywhere we can men now. Ya go lo do we me give marry we. I mean, you no the bride price me go me. When I listen to the audios, a woman who born 4 children for me, even if you forget within I do, even if you forget, even if me and you quarrel, you dey persuade today. Now should be police don't call you liar today. Police called you a liar today because it does too much. They don't believe you again. They believe you well because why? They don't believe you again. You don't call them. Oh, police can't be like, say all of us they say flat. Just that they know they sleep, they know they wake up for them, they know they brush shit for them. But now me and police can't interact with. Me will go outside. Them I know fact. I'll go people, I'll spend some days. Police will control me there, but if inside my house, he gave a customer me working strong ones. I be their strong customer. This one husband better pass me. This one husband better. I be make them marry usually their wife now. All those people where they condemn me for now, tell them say you want marry their husband, join them. Me don't dash you. You cease to be my wife. Since yesterday, you come out on TikTok and spend 5 hours talking about me. See, you cease to be my wife. I thank God I never do here. I can't even persuade you. You are working man now. If you don't do your work, come out. I was saying all those things because I was angry. I never met it. And go see one woman where he died for France and your husband kill him. You tell police today now. May God not let me use my hand by person. You know how much I love my mother. You know how much I love freedom. If not let this life do me for the talk so alone, is a freedom for me. If you dey prison, you can't do all these things. I'll just wake up one night, buy you. They are not calling my mama before she buy. You think I'm stupid? I can be angry to some extent, but I'm not like you. Now, no. Now tell you. You tell again. Who are they waiting to go? What be asked I do? Now. Because I don't want to go anybody else. I'm not saying I'm not get good friends, so, but I just want to be left alone so I can think. Woman, if you get that kind of wife, where they use every slightest mistake, they use you, they compare another person, husband. Even Mommy 3D was one even talking what they say. Mama Nora say if now my husband he marry, if I born 7, if now a social media president he marry, where you are waste video, where you are waste video. As far you have taken it to media. And media me and you for disgrace. We go disgrace ourselves to the extent. Nothing go remain again. Then you find your way. I will find my way. I will be no my Germany, but work be career in me. A Germany I be me now. A Germany be me. Now you want the day. Cause you don't call bass tire. You don't call bass tire. Now tomorrow, then they say you must still meet again. I come ask. But in few days from now, I'll find my way. I can't yet marry well. God forbid. Now I'm gonna see you. Now I'm gonna see. I will play one and I'll play the rest. I walk back where me. I walk back where my mama like media.
So I cannot call with the children. So I should call you.
Hi. Hello. The video of yesterday, then they show police today. So when they see person whether they marry, the video of yesterday which they take the shot, when we take all those things we do. And now on camera, me police. And now we mumu. And now we are you get on. And now we buy again. Or even so one of the go with your boss. Yeah, it is time we pranking. No, don't be mewa. Walking out be mewa. Hey, mo buwe wa walk be mewa. Because if the face is on the laugh, we say he may be. So.
Can we turn on the lights, please?
Yes.
Sir?
Who they call me now?
Yeah. Okay. Can we turn on the lights, please?
Yes.
Sir? How can we?
Oh, Ati Ray.
I'm surprised.
Oh, they call me. May I have my internet? Hello. And the video they show police. What happened yesterday?
Okay. Can we turn on the lights, please?
Yes.
Sir? How can we be of service today?
I'm surprised that she called the police again.
Yeah, we are also surprised that we are here again.
Because you hear the police talk. They said they are also surprised that they are here again. Evil woman, heartless. People where they deceive with your fake tears. And you feel deceived. I'm done with you forever. Ima, Abi, Oma, we are here. Oma, we are here. No way, Katie. Me never forgive you. Una de gbet your way. Wage. I don't know why she called the police. Because the last time
This is what it takes before it takes
Yeah, just put that away.
I didn't drink anything. They can test me if they want to test me. He said I drink yesterday, that's why I beat her. What is she planning for me? On the way they call them prank. What is this woman want? What did this woman really want from me now? Death. Either death or deport, and she'll cry pass. I'll deport her. Hey, or that for where we go. You see people when they push you. At the end of the day, they'll carry their husband at the house. You, no problem. You are convincing them that I drank. Now God is stand by me. The prayer of a mother, if they work for my body, if not, with the kind of police you don't call for me, or said I am in Nigeria. One police can just volunteer and say, this boy they give us problem. Oh yeah, you know we go a base safe. Oh yeah, bring your hand. Oh yeah, straight to deportation. It's not far now. After you don't do all this one, oh no, I will say, sorry, say, who are soon, who are David, who are where? Ason avant, iye men wiye yikwe, egbe men wiya yikwe, inya nobody again. Nobody. I want to stand my left. I want to stand up to my responsibilities as a man. Yeah, win I will now. It is a low but I mean where will not stay here. I'll pay the father shaft. That will not be problem. I'm gonna give you now. John me kwa move here. Without Germany, Nora, who are you? How much you see for road work? Imani boy, we are milago. You know where me muri. Na gigbe okore. Eri wo yo bome. Di yo pokpa nu weri uni me now. Mo wo yo bonu we. The children today, not you make me father. Imomo we wa. Imomo we wa. Why make you a mother? Children will not feel life from the beginning. All of us do not like young women. You said they maltreat my children. And money make you be maybe me maltreating you. It matter my way now we saga now. I will teach you how to play it. Mama way, I will teach you how to play it. You can't. Why you saga me with me? Because you be my enemy. You be my number one enemy. Yes. Let's assume say Frank they support you. Is it right for you? On not be you on a bezanzan. On not be you on a bezanzan. Now you have me yo. So it's you right. My opinion here. Oh God, Frank, now God will bless you. Why me wanna defend you? Why go? Why me no saga we? Ina yare mama na mama ni awa saboro uko wiyo. A wife, an enemy in disguise of a wife. That is who you are. And people will not know you, they think you be a better person. And when no man walk, I walk next to him. Why me, my baby? Pardon me, sir. Pardon me, sir. I don't put money for your head before you call the great laggy son. Yet, we now say, yeah.
No. I just want to make sure that the children are fine.
She threatens me every day that.
Listen, no, he's talking.
I'm talking. You have to. He threatens me every day. This is my children. I love them so much.
Can you close the door, please? Okay. Just wait, okay?
I love them so much. This is my children. I'm surprised that she called the police again today.
Yeah.
I do not have any problem with her.
What happened today?
Nothing happened. I'm
Then
surprised.
why are we here now?
I'm surprised. I don't know why she called the police again.
A big fight happened yesterday.
Yeah, and why didn't you call us then?
I called.
And yesterday?
Yes, I called. I
Okay,
called many times.
and then?
Yes. So today I have to.
No, what happened yesterday when you called?
Yes, yeah, because the video I showed you was beating me. You see the mark all over my body.
You called our colleagues yesterday,
Yes,
and
yes.
they were here, right?
No, they were not here.
Yeah, don't fool me.
No, it's true. You can check my phone.
This is not how this works.
Yeah.
You can't just. Why weren't they here?
I look at this yesterday. I called. I don't lie. This is the
What,
time
and what
I
did your
called.
colleague?
You take my laptop, it destroyed yesterday. I'm gonna ask you, pa. I'm gonna see wife. My laptop is you not the police say you destroy my laptop. Umaga Baba like we would destroy laptop in there. If no soon no day. So but me and you sleep the say as the day break. He when they watch you go, the police tell us and say, we don't believe you anymore. You never realize. Police don't tire. Nora, this one are just the tips of the iceberg. Because now what happen so we want to talk. I have your born webumbe. But I go first you with the truth. Even when police they say they not believe this woman was convinced. Oh my, no, we go. You won't. I beg my fans. One of them they tell me say go. I said he married need the settlement or go on both sides. All they that war. Might need the settlement. God forbid. Me settle with this police party. And if I come out, anything do my children. Sorry, no way. Because the way they are going now, they don't look like a person who get mental issue. Matter mobile, but who got a black top in hell? Wait here, but I beg you for. His wife beg you for, say, even that bros with our back, beg you for, say, hey, the police. There you will not view more, not view you police. Not view you get out. You're not a man to your baligbe. We give so what not your baligbe. The settlement in my way I said to work way. Niana ya no marry way. My settlement. If they saga me, it not get document. Wait, I did not make there. And you know what your document go reach now. Work be marry work how many worry. Not be you they give documents. Your paper cannot even give me documents. Now only my daughter home, the last one I strong pass. Because I married Duro Noni, straight direct. I will passport in a Benin, 33 paragraph. Only over 3 years. In 1 year no we are in me. When my study with Jamie, may be when we now. Why you be where you think you can give me documents? You can't give me documents. I was just there because I loved you and the children. That was why I was there. I don't feel go France. I don't feel go Belgium, go all those places. But since you say you fit take care of them, say where I not too bad on say. Il a un viré, no viré. With big money, with your wealthful. Because the money up there, a yachibi, a bomari me. The Enogie men, no matter where grace will cover me. But normal police is very good. Allow. I pray and I God you understand for me. I will come to this city way good. What did this woman don't do me now for me to? I suppose the Nigeria by January this year, self, not be even. So the one we still happen that time. Suppose the Nigeria that time. Obungbe. The tell police say me say me work by her. Me we me agbewa. Me we me agbe. Me nobody blame me say I dey on life. You so he believes say social media go fit give her what she need. Don't have to type a live video. So when not to tell now a live video man na anything. So Enogie, you can't eat your cake and have it. Let's go.
As the phone said.
And I was screaming, help.
And no one came.
No, they didn't. I think they don't know who was talking. I was talking.
Yeah, they can check your number, all right.
Yes.
They can see who
Yes.
this number belongs to.
So, yeah,
and they would have sent someone.
Help, so you have to drag the phone on me.
And then you just went to bed. You didn't try again or leave or leave.
She didn't even call the police yesterday.
That's
She's
not how
lying.
this works.
There was
No,
she lies.
This is not how someone behaves who got beaten and just stays there and raised.
Okay, you go and sleep. After calling the police did not
my
come.
shirt off and see my body?
You enjoy yourself.
You just
You enjoy yourself. And you were crying.
That's not fresh.
Yes,
You stay calm.
Okay. He say whether she go fit pour her shirt. May they foresee the injury with their back. A woman from Deutschland. For where police folk on the doubt, they ask you deep questions to know if now what you talk about because me away from me. For your man do the police man. But in your way, do a man near way now, they did in your way now, me. And mega ba. More grace no work be one. Is the truth. It's the truth. Should I put my shirt?
If you use that phone,
You can take a look.
yeah, we already saw that. You just hear someone screaming.
In Africa,
She said,
this is here to you.
"Come
In
on.
Africa,
You are here with him.
Yeah.
If you were afraid, you wouldn't be here. You would have already left."
because I go.
Now you the police talk. You there here with this man. If you really dare afraid of this man, you cannot be here. Una where they use our do friends. Why did you? If you do me like this, now so they look now. A woman ni young. Ona convince Obalegbe. We bien. Obalegbe see the letter and they don't know say this thing not clear to us. The rate in which they call the box not called clear. The way you talk, it don't make sense to our ear. For you to just quiet me, let them go. It's still pressure there. It's still pressure there. It's still pressure there. It's still pressure there. All those who are cutting and last say everything you have said so far makes no sense. But as a woman, when she be made me come off house, may I come back tomorrow. They give me 11. I'll go call my children. Because you know what it is. The next 1 month, me take one VAT. They will allow. One of my friends say, Enogie, am I give you tell me you stay for 1 month? I say no. 2 days hotel is okay. That money too big. I say no. 1 month. Yeah. He knows I not get asshole apart from that ass. Or to Obalegbe me. Obalegbe like women. Mona help me ask one another. How many times he does say to a friend when your husband get quarrel? Or how many times any of my friend don't come sleep our ass every 4 days or do have here? I still tell her what make me cheat on her. I still tell her what make me cheat on her last year. I was there with Ladian. You don't want my guy ask me can go. Ah. Now I'm going to tell me say, Enogie, they ne we are want to have here. We are going. They don't have a yari. It that be oh kakabog be. And you know what does it mean Yahweh? As a smart man with me be meaning the way they come, you're not come like a girl. Me not married man too. That's why me and my family not there. Me not married man too. Now I can say, oh, mama, let me take switch, bad girl. I mean, not what they do bad. So I be today, so if I declare myself single today, yeah, you me no, you no, you are as a wife. But you see this woman, I bet you know you is a woman. I bet you know. Oh, you need some one. Now let my children they pay me, but no worry. They're gonna let me that today, they will leave. So train them. You say you fit train them. Train them. Train them, madam. You hear? It is not the one way you fed they do be this. Yeah, you know you can't wait. I'll tell you, say what problem I be made. You were stubborn. You don't even know what they call stubbornness. You will be woman. Anytime I decided to be a man in my own ass, you tell me say no. You say I know they work. I'm jobless. All the money we can't see for Facebook. I work and I receive my money on Facebook. If you have a page that earns money, you are a big man. Some people you say you have to go work from morning to night, make you a worker. 9. You can be inside your house and be any money. If not be no knows you. You came, I know you as normal Facebook. And me you go open your page. This saga me. Saga me only my disgrace be ma. Me marry you only marry make a peace. Because you say why is a woman, me we make you want me marry what in ya. Any of my supporter we call you they tell them. Now be careful now. Where they support her now. That's why they do me like this. You want drive the commode. You want use my head, change to bad person for where they day. Now God, they provide for person. If you still jam me for where they day, say they can't really believe, say you be my wife or really your matter, no. God will still bring my help pass for me. You see that document? I go get her, and another woman go hold on. I go there beside the other woman. Say that this woman and give me peace of mind for Europe. Now you born for me, but you not give me peace of mind. You are so shameless.
What do you get? I just coming home now. I was in
And
the
what did the
Jugendamt.
guys from the Jugendamt say?
You get and said I should call you. I showed my body. I showed the all.
But this is already taken on the 5th.
Yesterday, no.
That's not new.
It's new. It's yesterday.
It's already started here.
Yeah, it's yesterday. I swear to God, it's my life. It's yesterday. It's my husband, the father of my children. It's yesterday. One man is an elderly man from Africa. African man is an old man. The man was here yesterday. The man was trying to separate both of us. I called the police. I was screaming. So today, police don't answer.
Which man they talk so? Social media president. If not be running, go forbid. Every spirit of a wife, every spirit of an enemy as a wife in disguise. I cancel by the blood of Jesus. You call it right now, not say I lie too much. But now your voice be this. I'll say, man, take you go have. You see, now see, always they convincing your police in my believe on a boss TV. You start cry. Now those that tell me not cry again. They don't want to listen to a cry. Police did a great job today. The power where they give some women for Europe is too much. It's too much. It's too much. You disgracing me. Let it talk ya gbeve ya saga me. You cannot do more than a dead rat. You don't do what you want to do now. What you never talk. You don't respect me. Any slightest mistake ever. No, that will move. People waste the house my come safe. They don't go do what you they do. They are not go you want. The stress my family passed through on that day. You have transfer. And my own personal money I put for your head. You go to the fancy me. Yeah, the law in you. Becky is a witness. The meeting money when I gather is my money. 100,000 would they do? The time we reach my time I want to carry, you can't go for that me. It's my money. It's okay. It not be my money, I take money for your head. It not my money, now me take money for your head. If you don't go allow me near me, no, if you any disgrace will allow me. Some of now when they call me when they pick, I need to relax. I need to relax. If I say I begin they pick the one after they call me, my enemy go run mad.
I may have to go. The man was here yesterday. The man was trying to separate both of us. I called the police. I was screaming. So today, police don't answer me. I have to go. So you get harm. I'm just coming home with my children.
Yeah, he was screaming yesterday because a park we collect the phone from her. Beggar and it's your balik me not that far away. He not give me well new man. But do you know, so you don't poison me not to a pal. Even if a party follow me, they play now. You don't cut some love with that man get for me come out by telling that man, say, as soon as 2 years sit down, so. You don't get my love you where That you don't say so you don't know what in me. The implication of what you said meaning Enogie can poison you at any time. That is why Imam Beti resist and have few with me. Because you lied on me. You lied on me. Ipa was not saying, Emata. Take it or leave it, Ipa believe him. Ipa wa ati Enogie on the master nagbo. Ipa already get her for mad. Because nobody talk her. Now you talk her. Then I'll come say waiting. Now so Lord sweet me. Then I'll come waiting again. What you want me to do? Until we just settle. Even though it am me power. You feel to say you not talk again. Because you don't already make me frustrate now. So God forbid. You have a few when if you say where I and you bomb or baby there. You boy, I so you go boy. Epa, it may tell me well now. If you know that I'm going to do, believe it. What believe it? What believe it?
We have quarreled, she don't go close to the
spent the
children.
night here.
Yes, I can't lie.
I can't show them video now of the marriage we do 2 months ago.
We did our marriage 2 weeks
Am I
ago.
that way marriage Africa? That is not marriage.
Our marriage.
No, I don't do that, please.
If we are not in good terms,
Lying.
we will not do this. This is me and
Yeah,
she.
just wait here. I need to make some phone calls. This is.
I called yesterday, I was screaming. Yesterday night.
You see this?
That is not matter, it's
Just
just
put the phones away. Seriously.
Okay.
This is. She lies to me. I'm not here to solve your family problems.
Okay.
I'm just gonna check.
We are not here to solve your family problems. We are not here to solve your family problems. Can the police in area move?
If there was a call,
Yeah.
and I don't understand why you wouldn't leave the home and ask someone to call the police if no one came.
Because I cannot leave my home with the children. So that's why this morning I have to wake up and go to you get home. The mothers call him, he should not touch me again. He always said they want to kill her and go to prison. Because in France, a guy killed my friend yesterday in France.
Person wey you don't know before the woman die, wey they say he husband kill. I'm a man that can't do friend. First woman wey they use ghost, wey they do friend. Oh, I know woman, you know that I was say. Oh, I know woman. You know that I was say. Emergency. The first woman that use ghost. Woman we don't know when she did alive. Suddenly now become a friend. Everybody Wahala wo. They think I go never so.
And ask someone to call the police if no one came.
Because I cannot leave my home with the children.
If we are not in good terms,
Lying.
we will not do this. This is me and
Yeah,
she.
just wait here. I need to make some phone calls. This is.
I called yesterday, I was screaming. Yesterday night.
You see this?
That is not matter, it's
Just
just
put the phones away. Seriously.
Okay.
This is. She lies to me. I'm not here to solve your family problems.
Okay.
I'm just gonna check if there was a call,
Yeah.
and I don't understand why you wouldn't leave the home and ask someone to call the police if no one came.
Because I cannot leave my home with the children. So that's why this morning I have to wake up and go to you get home. The mothers call him, he should not touch me again. He always said they want to kill her and go to prison. Because in France, a guy killed my friend yesterday.
Charles say no me swag. I will not know why I will party. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, your friend. So that woman will die for you know. Yeah. My guy is a disgraced woman. When me, you remember I said I be comedian and I'm MC. Hey, me. I will make people to believe that you are a devil. So that my next wife, you know, if you spoil and say I'll be a bad person. Go well, you don't let me and you not there again. That's the truth. But I can't prove to my next wife you were. You're madam. Now me will no make come. You're madam.
Wouldn't leave the home and ask someone to call the police if no one came.
Because I cannot leave my home with the children. So that's why this morning I have to wake up and go to you get home. The mother called him, he should not touch me again. He always said they want to kill her and go to prison. Because in France, a guy killed my friend yesterday in France. The news is all over the world, in internet.
What does that have to do with all that? I don't...
Police say he know that stuff. And a man said that you go my woman depressed. And a man said now you go my woman depressed. Saluba. Mama said na ya tell my depression. Oh man, no man walk ewu. Menos. I said I don't laugh. I don't laugh today. Menos no da wala. You and I don't know each other before you buy. Now you can say way. Friend to a ghost.
Okay.
Made the record and she know.
What do you want us to do now?
I do not want you to... Mama... I did what you get on asked me to do when I go to the you get on the office. So I told you get on that I cannot come with my children. So he asked me to come. That's why I call you to let you know that we make a lot of fights yesterday. And we always say, I'll kill you. I have evidence with my phone. So when I give birth to her, if you remember, police and ambulance were yes from 1 year ago. When I give birth to her.
It is 1 year ago. This doesn't help me.
When I give birth to her, for my C-section, she hates me. Police come. She begged me not to speak. And I said the police, don't do me any.
He don't use me sense to she. He dey explain to police say when he newborn I kick her for belly. What did you do? Yes, I'm not supposed to react like that. But wow, make it the way be me yo. Egweta. Woman way come back Peking where you know where they were back. Where never for your own president is sort her husband once. You know you're waiting I talk where now I'm about you can only God forbid.
I speak to the police come to me, police come to the office in Enogie. He asked me, is this to me? I said no, he did not do anything to me because I love him so much, I don't want anything to happen to me. But he kept doing it. When police come, I said nothing, everything is okay. But they will start telling me, I will kill you and go to prison, and don't come here to take it away. I'm scared. Because all the time he was angry that I have female. He want a boy. That's why I gave birth to him. He was thinking he's a boy. I gave birth to him, he's a girl. Start hungry. I give birth to girls. I don't have boy. We go to club, carry some women, go to the hotel. I have the video on my Facebook. Go from club to women. I take care of the children below. When I want to go out, we have quarrel. I said, look at this. He said, no, take them away. All the children will go to Enogie and she don't look after the children when we are quarreling. When the children go to her, he pushed them away. He don't go close to the children because they are girls. He want boy. I don't want you to do anything, but I just want to let you to know maybe if anything happened to me, I die tomorrow, you have to hold him.
Yeah, if
I die tomorrow, you have to hold him.
yeah, if you were,
If I die tomorrow, you have to hold
Madam,
him.
you just told me that you went to the
Enogie, yes.
and with your children.
Yes.
And you came back here.
Yeah.
You didn't call the police from there, where you are safe. You came here to the man whom you think will kill you. You came back to this room and then calling the police. This makes absolutely no sense.
I promise he has.
You hear what the police talk? He say everything way they talk now, with the way you tell they talk and sense, absolutely no sense. You like that video? Me what? No, or you won't understand. If she like me, she dey screen record me. He marry her, he marry her. He marry her. He will come. Oh, screen record. You know, but you have your bonnet. She's waiting. You have a beer, a beer, you have your bonnet, even the bag you have here. They go la life. After ah ouais, they go of you born again. They go if you have you born here. Luxury marriage saga. Emma here you know. Luxury saga marriage. You will not go back way.
When the children go to her, he pushed them away. He don't go close to the children because they are girls. He want boy.
Oh, your mom. Odona mo go your own God forbid you assume.
I don't want you to do anything, but I just want to let you to know maybe if anything happened to me, I die tomorrow, you have to hold him.
Yeah, if
I die tomorrow, you have to hold him.
yeah, if you were,
If I die tomorrow, you have to hold
Madam,
him.
you just told me that you went to the
Enogie, yes.
and with your children.
Yes.
And you came back here.
Yeah.
You didn't call the police from there, where you are safe. You came here to the man whom you think will kill you. You came back to this room and then calling the police. This makes absolutely no sense.
I promise he has a key when I come home.
This doesn't matter right
You
now.
want-
Just answer me that question. Why, if you're really so afraid,
Yeah?
did you come back from the safe place at the Jugendamt where you had all your children together?
Yeah.
Why would you come back here?
He was not.
Why?
He was not at home. He just came back.
Now see person where they talk say, hey, must say no man me be, hey, must say no man me be, hey, must say una see am. Una see am. Una see am. Now, with all these things will happen now. Because I should carry the matter and social media. If not you will look me so. Will you still marry her? The answer is no. I married a demon. I married an idiot, a stark illiterate. Ohonowa married a goto. See the way police vest. Like, you tell me my sin, no barrel. You know that. Oh, yeah, now. Like, if you're born way. And we don't know where me I go where. Now, may I play on that for them again. Share this video for me. Igbene ya ibe, ye miamia. Igbene ya ibe. Now, we just come for our bass on. Mo enter another one again. One of the see matao. Wage o. Now the wage o. Iru is that your bali gbin yan then why ire yan mu we pa. Atiyan. Ma now I want to play something for now. On a listing. Oh, no water. She's no longer my wife. She ceased to be my wife. Oh, Hamel. Oh, Hamel. It's your Hamel. You were ye. It's your Hamel. Variana variavi. It can't be not fit. That one are just small. Over here, you know. I'm not listening. I'm not see you. You
get that price. Right before I go return, I go fuck on top. I go fuck another man on top. I go make sure I go hold you. I go fuck another man on top. He go hold you. I go fuck on top. Another man go hold you. I know your friend that go see fuck. All say where can I fuck you? Say where? I go to fuck up for your hair. All say where can I fuck you? You will die very aggressive. You will die. Don't document for lazy man. No document for lazy man. I will be. If you. When I go and can I be able to show how to go the sister, go everything. Say they go the sister. You get that price. Right before I go return, I go fuck on top.
Now, my people, she's not my wife anymore. Not be woman go sleep with man for outside till they commit about abomination. So let me take some calls. Right here, man. Organ here me at the apply yo. Right here, man. Imam a passport. Imam a passport. Imam me on be fisted.
So your coat according to your size.
Imam
Not
me.
before you don't get material. There's a sin is believing.
Imam me. Ibe nagiri new. Yeah, you give me. So now, passo a tirer. Passo a coller. Passo a tirer. Passo a tirer. Passo a tirer. Passo a tirer. Passo a coller. Passo a coller.
So your coat.
Passo a tirer. Yeah, then.
Throw your coat according to your size. Not before you not get material. They say seeing is believing. The man not judge get Google gas think that back up. The biggest marriage is about to happen in the city of Alehege. Get ready to put on your death issue. The family of Letpa Edward Omorege and the family of Letpa Daniel Aho invite you to their children marriage ceremony. Priceless Omorege and Osadiaye Aho. Traditional marriage take place in Nigeria on the 25th of May 2024. And reception follow immediately at Utah Granfield, Ekawa Road, Benin City. If Falconizer stop to pump tire, then he go retire. And this wonderful event is being put together by the couples. Live performance, games, comedy, music by Dr. Sunshine on Morukungwa.
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Nora, call was here.
Oh, yes, sir.
Call. If me and also know they are then. It is well. I understand. Or I wait for no WhatsApp, you may send a message go.
Wow, man.
Whenever you know that man here at all. Nevertheless, you book that dog you know go another ball few maybe the way you book understand the girl why any fear me understand for your own good or how you know ya talon or mommy you know no see but whether you book here whether you book at all because a lot of people that dog understand. Oga tiebo no weti na with unuwe egi you the you bo no fair kere we you bo kan understand already me can go on no dey wa for no uge WhatsApp uge go you only tell you have a Facebook nevertheless we you bo kan o no wa tiebo no anything already we not ta no or ya ta lo bet we want bizugbe when you book only here go a lot bet when already age etio salo boa ugia dey na mohai. That's just my prayer for you, understand? Yeah. Because I'm disappointed me better lo we mene but nevertheless you book fear me anything already can we know you know ya kwa agbe gba one understand. Only me that dog uponata yo veno ilago de ogita where this Lord fine no you not fine no understand no go no ma we no make go that we no we understand but for me just give me that promise whether you fear me no matter what you say understand man ni say wa na e ma we make na tie yo
Hello.
Nora, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
God is your strength, eh?
Thank you so much.
God is your strength. God is your strength. Nothing when my picking on the see for this life. You understand? If person marry woman when be like that and I was waiting the face now be this one. You understand? Yes, you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I hear you.
Now, if person marry woman will not be your own, that's what they be. They don't say husband and wife matter, they know they talk brutal, but this one, I will talk at the way before my mind, because yesterday, the rubbish when I see yesterday for TikTok, it make me cry. I cry. This matter, they happened before. It happened, everybody go forget, both fans, like that, everybody go forget. But this one will happen so, many people cry, put. It will many people will really love you. But this mama Nora, if they carry show die, they buga, they do this one for social media. You don't know now you that people they look, they give her that honor. She don't know. But this time around, this is when he do so. When she fall and she go fall, she go fall past ground. Any small thing at all, woman will come outside for social. What do you know about anything? How would social media not come there?
Okay.
Yeah, like we said, she go just go on, go face war. You go for them, but you go to complain to war. Abi?
Yeah.
But this is when they do so because many women they feel any small thing they will call of baths for their man. But that is the this of baths now, mumu. You go over them. Man, Nora, make she take time. And again, this thing when she talks, whether you go forgive her, you don't go forgive her, man. That word will come out from her mouth, So she go knock men, go even knock your friend, She needs to go beg for that thing. She needs to go beg. Now, and people want to talk for this matter. Person when I really like what he talk. When he talk for this matter, let be answer borrow. You know you're the bias at all. You talk and the way they talk for matter.
Yeah.
Mama Nora, what do you do so? What you did do before, but we think say, Mama, if Papa Nora put money for your head, you go change.
Thank you.
Mama Nora now, yes, now what many people feel be that when people Papa Nora go, most social media, man go to talk, you go to follow, you go to struggle. You know, say get many enemy for our side. Any small mistake, they go screenshot and they go record that. Call you and they beat them for social media. So you know, say you get the biggest enemy for our house.
Maybe number one enemy we no want me and get up.
You do finish now. Nobody knows you get that. Me and myself, I don't know so you get that account. You do finish. You go to pray for Oviekia. Say na God go bless her. You go to pray for her for there. Mama Nora, what do you do so? What do you do so? Now only God there. Now go judge you. You just say if I don't get, I don't say no go for grand though. I don't say for grand. Man not the hold though. Now woman they hold. You just say if you don't go enter any place, now woman not go carry her for house. Now you're gonna see her like this, you're gonna cry, you're gonna from distance they swallow spit. What be my you know ya me akubiana. No what ya me ya when when giving fashion. Woman just they play. Upon that they watch you, don't.
I see.
So what's this?
Awa ní irun àgbọn náà. Hello. Hey, Sister Mekoyo.
I just did for Saturday for you. But the thing where me and one talk be say prank or no prank, you know. I just want to use this opportunity to beg you. If you know say na prank, if na prank
not be prank.
Yeah, you just put it this way.
Not be prank.
If not be prank, say this woman choo they call Baligbe for you like that. It's not good, you know. A man where you don't born 4 children for. If you not good, as you born one, you go come out. You understand? If it be say not be prank, say choo they do that thing. If they settle now, you still go there now, you can't know, my brother. This one with me, I just the year so. Where police they call your house, all the time. No good, It go even they disturb that your baby, you know.
Where?
It go disturb and where my police. This thing where una just they do, so people go just they take and now say na play. Here where edo ya pita woman no be bata yen ke no na balo we. Yeah. It might be possible where we swing in the police or see any be manila dianti now. And even no jena. Alright, good way years, you know, here ma few just to know the true why am you. So my own advice in the way is that where a book will very no one more girl Baligbe all the time. On now who are bo are Africa. What to bong I met the way I decide why because wo gueruwa me gueruwa, you know. But I'm not Baligbe no tie no na or mother them make sense at all. You know, Emma not at all. My brother, no ta no lobby. No kakabo zio yo. Eviye vai no. Ege mi na gbonkianta because agbon all way. Or when ni agie ya we.
Wala gie ma se wana vie ni ha.
Exactly. Because me mami mi lo pa mi wana baba na Baligbe e love mi lo pa re wana uwe ma mu e mi ya va hun
ma ti mu ya va hun o
ina wa ti o Baligbe
with confidence
You get me. You may I ask you where you get me like a woman.
Iye wa ti yan. Owo you get am to you nice. Iye ti yan wan.
You me tin your more. You may way abi another way it might still be possible to go na depress a man. Papa Nora.
That means you boy as if you know yeah depressed because
when we no see any time because when we the police in the time where way or carry tiano the why again why all the time
yes
because
every day no
depressed is here we na Papa Nora la wo do why ti rijo bone because a depressive was seen na ne bo me wa we gbe egbe mi niye Nora we
egbe o wa no dey depressed o wa na dey depressed but here
a stress is here a stress of you depressed maybe now when we ni be kan na die ni you ona do happen where you pa or wona for example me water
egwe o no we dey depressive ni na wake wa guhiro wa la video
osunu ge egumeta mawe umeta ma mi pa no man we
madam egwe ima o ni o dey depressed o ma dey depressed worry me o be ade depressed
ere Nora gay
it's a question o be ade depressed damn yo o be ade depressed
o be ade depressed
okay worry ya dey depressed you know normal woman job no
emi no we you be ya dey
depressed o dey depressed o no dey depressed in where yes.
My brother.
That means your boy, you are the bit your belly be la one or do you somebody have you?
Oh man, they depressed. If know, but you a writing you. Better money, you beg where if you know woman.
You're depressed. She's just being so wicked and heartless as a woman.
It might be possible with all the depressed. What checking? I'm telling you,
I'm depressed. Oh, we're not depressed. Yeah, saga about the bank saga. Yeah, why are they depressed here?
Those are part of it in women.
No, I'm depressed. I'm not depressed. I got milk by your I'm depressed.
My brother.
I'm not depressed. We want mother for go to dead egg no ragbon.
Only we no room where ni àwọn dey depressed we no where. Ask anybody they will tell you.
Okay.
So of Africa no be no me me.
So in that case when you worry ni me worry me. So that now the more we see na dey depressed. If I go get you feel
where when you say me ya me to describing it. Ime wa tori me according to
when you go na way make it the lad and the leader do our work by me and when you know it will me
CIA ni what CIA the best.
God forbid.
CIA if that is the case.
We see
a love in many way the amu eni ajo bono keke as a father awe ni CIA. Oh, he can't make it a man away no arriva. I mean, no, ma make sense. A police are big bomber. I really am here, baby. We're begging you this if you were my brother.
God bless you. Oh, yeah, Tanya. Oh, that way. Not be me because I would never see a bill. Not be you because I would never see a bill.
Very police are
very yourself, Master. The Yaya Benoa.
A berry on your way. A bear that they will baligba lava wagbe. Ebe ya re ya ma daji o do boss ya boss e finya daji ya we ni agin ma me ni akin
ma kan ni dodo o wa ya me ya bi o ma ni dodo o mi no
boy o me ti be sunu very on your no be bie it's possible
she has always want to be a single mother
but she always say it anyway o ta ogbe so we can only single
God bless you. So
maybe of any reason or good time I cannot tell. Ima only tell me now, myself, but the thing is, just move on. I prefer that way. Or too much, it be there, prank. It's too much. It's not good for you. It's not good for the children.
Prank.
You know.
At the detriment of my document. No. It's not a prank.
If it's not a prank, my brother, just move on.
A wise woman build a house, a foolish one destroys it. Or the Bible.
Exactly.
That's
true.
So
That's true.
any what's all
right, then. Take care.
Throw your coat according to your size.
don't praise. They are not hearing me.
Enogie, cannot the other make you what you wear?
Ima wati me no they are any hearing.
I don't be busy, not easy, my brother. At this period, I feel for you, my brother. I feel for you. Man, me our advice, my brother. It's more advice I will get for you. Me beg on them, Gina, for see now like 1 week or something. Why we again this woman for some time? Man, this thing is very important. They come if you know say you get because this woman maybe when you show a area feel we making you not get where you go. Man, all we are. So yeah, beg who make you when we show where we say they know say you can move at any time. They say they reduce. And because of this matter we did, I advise you if now 1 week can you stay need to bring your memory down. You to be able to bring your memory down. Because if the matter police may beg it back, may police not call it type call the phone say they want call the form investigation because she will want support the police. You know get the talk. So I beg, I for advise you now because people now are making us say also even yakede. Master,
you're wine, my brother. I got who nearly reckon, machine no.
So anyway, she me beg any spirit. Me beg any spirit. We love you, Nora. All of us here.
The spirit to when they way obo nuzeni. Ya Arias Udi. The way I say.
So
no set you one give ona mweri ni ma uyo egbe owo ne nunu egbe
na kesu e na wa ke masun ti so tita so nya ge guyo ru ba police
so omo stop here
advice na even now way for now we may still go now for 1 month there we pass for 1 month
ti ai awe aniti ban
we may pass for 1 month no fe feel we pass for 1 month all we feel all the way we have time way to become a single mother not the job. All the beg to become back for 1 month. Your money can wear why and yet more. To become a single mother is not a day job. Okay. So we back for 1 month.
A plan in November is either or deport to or I'm a figure.
Metana, Ega me begi, eto deport we Ega me begi. Ega me wa begi when they see direct prison. Because in France, I know people don't go prison like this. He told him where I know people don't go prison. Where? So waiting me they beg you now as a man to avoid this thing. Give this man if not 2 weeks, if not enough, spend 1 month to outside. If not 2 weeks, fair way if go cheat.
No worry.
Yeah. If you go to thank God for your life, say Baba, it's temptation already now. Maybe when you get for but this is the big temptation, my brother.
Yeah.
A marriage in when marriage lost marriage in the booking, lost marriage in booking. You know how much you have spent in that marriage?
Every time Magui all la video vient. Magui all la video vient. So you know you don't think where me who name where we
Iye Noraji na ojo na o no dey we big man life. Amati expect be life na no ije na.
Mama see your egbe.
So life in ije now life in mate pa ma believe in go viral area. Wodo ri go viral. Ne we do Mama say na wodo ye go viral ne we na so poni ije na wo president. When Betana, it could be like president wife, you know, okay, presidency. Me marry you know again, you be Maya. Me have a go with the person who go money. I bet we forget. Me marry you know ma. Where Bege was coordinating Maya. Where Bege was coordinating Maya pepe. Who will forget ya? So when you know right over now understand the one no. Wa travel yo. Wa understand when you find the time when Wakero. Since you guys you never give a chance one pass.
Other one join.
At least for this fact now, give this man 1 month first. Make she tell rearrange herself. If you get where to go, master because if you are me one fool. If you are very woman show, woman can show anything. Don't call the two. If they say you get on that home, or you master, if they say you get on that home, on that place, they will coordinate yourself. I'm telling you the fact.
You are right.
That is why second address they always they good sometimes. But when the woman not say on that video.
Second address in Magbe.
Oh, the second address they good well. Where it are the kuli what was it because of one mate, every second address.
Oh, 1
mate. So I mean yes, on begging and lawyer they don't get second address. We begging Frank Boli but Frank get second address. The Frank Boli Nora Ije va te de na get wa poli before ki wa the ticket to give it time. When the time we na o fe ale iwe akusara no bi wa we wa okay wa gbo. Ewe you are not hearing me. So you know I must tell you the truth. You must say na you know say that time because a second address we na a pay but try get second address. I don't tell you you are bigger.
No, I will do that.
Even though say paper not day. Yahweh. Address. That is what I tell you. Very, very important.
Yahweh.
Wallo.
All right.
So your cut according to your size.
Address.
Not before you not get material. There's a scene is built.
Hello.
No, investor.
Sister, man.
I greet you. I get words to tell Mama Nora. First of all, Mama Nora is a very mannerless woman. She not get manners at all. She not get patience, and her oversabi too much. Any was to me, oh was like live video. Yeah, my school. I'm a branch primary school.
OTV,
like no single sense. Oh, blah. Oh, you want a remote.
See, I wear a clip,
but a spiritual husband, the heavy to tolerate Mama Nora. So I'm not sure.
A spiritual husband, overnight only I have vanished.
No spiritual husband will tolerate this dirty character. No spiritual husband. So may nobody thought say maybe not spiritual husband. In your mouth, any Enogie yani. She gets very nasty attitude.
When you may cover, you don't know what I don't cover.
You go jump, come outside. You know what?
At the end, I'll call you a chance to prank.
When we know you have more, Nora we know that. And we know task the right part. You know the push you.
Okay.
I was like, this woman, your heart deep. When I Epa, it's like a malaki work. Malaki when I want more again. Or you want the age where you were.
35 years. 35 years, no.
15 years child, anything. Yes, because her sense is low, it's too low. And if she they do the thing, I'll go again. Oh, wait, no, never. You want to be the man of the house. Enogie gets the old for body. But Enogie is a man. As a wife, how do you calm your husband down? Now, so you want to run home.
Calm me down. When my way him with me safe.
Character. Which man you feel say go see all this your nonsense when they do for social media, couple you for us. Here Nora, message to you. You not go see man where get social media accounts, whether on Facebook or TikTok or Snapchat or where go put you for house. Where here they go they feel say you go do the worst today. You know what? See the nonsense where you they do. See the nonsense. Hey, you want to keep me? You want to keep me at my truth?
You won't even do marriage. You know, since me, you still mellow. Calm down. Stop that your attitude, that your anger. Go register for anger management classes. You want to be the man in the house. And they make money a Nora. When woman or others or say when
any all our friends guesses you buy me well.
Okay, now, Mama Nora, as you come out yesterday now talk for 5 hours, we love Enogie, hard markets. Now you everybody the saga now because you not get sense. You not get sense. And you see, Medupo, you didn't look for no problem. But you see you, I not go there on that day if not go still do the marriage.
A marriage everywhere? No. It's finished. No, it's finished. I want to talk again.
You have a very low way of thinking. You are too rude. You do not have reserve. You don't know when to stop. 5 hours on TikTok. Waiting be your problem. If you claim say now you love the children past, what do they do for TikTok for 5 good hours? They will not you can't say you not watch process. You they fool yourself. Everybody they laugh because they will go down. You are fooling yourself. You don't finally show the world say you be snake. Even when I know they can pagaje, yet he forgive you. Nora. And if a part verse for Enogie, he blame me pagbe because now waiting over here. But you are a bad person to bring up such statements in that man's presence. Of anointing drive for 45 good minutes. Why do you go? You are disrespecting well. You are disrespecting. This one where they can win now.
You're trying no, you see me.
Single mothers now. I'm not sure say they will accept you because any Yamaveni they stay. Before you know, over here, the police let's go mother. Hey, police, are you there? She said that she cannot sleep in this bed. She is a single mother worrying here. Nobody will accept you. So I don't know the way you want your life right now. Ukon wagogoyo. As you they talk, so she did live video. Also over. A page you know we here while government knowing my true life story. Or mommy is telling truth. Or ye boni am a hope. Or mommy is true. Okay, you are not get the get for it. Why you not spell true?
Moga grace no ga rela foge. Mogwe spell
here true. You cannot even spell. You can't even compose very good English. But they try to disgrace man when you put money for your head. Okay, when I wear enemies in social media.
That is why I said I don't want any more. For you to where or that for when we're not popular no. Now we will live video.
Family members in our live video. And this man want to kill me. You are depressed. You are a single mother right now by stupidity, Mama Nora. If you do not take time, you see Enogie, if come out from your house tomorrow, mark my word, the babe will go carry and enter inside house, you go shake. Not be say shoot bed. You go shake, but you, when we want to start for your body now, after 4, we're here now. Even spiritual husband, we're here because, I'm always single man, we can't on you, it's not possible. Even divorce not go want party because in a big character in nowhere Enogie on live video. Everybody have been begging. You need to change, Mama Nora. Sit down, advise yourself. Learn to know when to stop. When to stop. If people they say stop, no they want to say you to know, may you continue. Oh, hey. Government where I go no there. Una destroy a laptop. Today, you no fear. You see, they tell police, I want to show you my back. I want to show you my back. You not get shame. As you did now, the other view, you think I bomb the boy, I bomb boy. After is dead. You think I bomb boy, it's not no, priceless ora, the boss one wake, Oma, go the outside. You see that single mother life where they hungry you go see him. Oh, my darling, he go over you. Now here we did. Why I see be a kid nearly great, and that's when you know what in life be. Enogie.
Where's he?
For my cloth money, me might need to get Urupo. Even like marriage in your neighborhood. Uberi Nora ni wagume in here. Don't I think BRT school, the adult school, first of all. Or you only for ne or you swing anger management class.
So what do you mean?
Anger management class.
Anger
like
management class.
The teacher. How to control anger 100 because of my
okay, anger management class today.
On the adult school because a turu ni a page ni okay no a true on our way to you know or ye boni my ho you want us saga person with truth English not true for your mouth police tire for you for English when they more and not get you know go school the no me them in a be true come on true u hear page we are be turu obviously we here a turu Many me born a day, Baba. Enogie, may I give chance to another person? Mama Nora. No worry, you'll see egg for your window today. Mumu.
Where's we giving? Where's he? Why are we see? Now do we? Where's he? Where's he? On these notes, I think I'll cut it now. And I'll come back later.
So you cut according to your size. Not before you don't get material. There's the scene.
Hello.
Hello. Oh. Hello, investor.
Good evening.
Good evening. Hey. I not just this matter guy take the man or I know you're the try at all.
That's what she did do for the call. She went to live video. Now see me I use a tire around now.
Well, the thing just shocked me yesterday. The way you did shot. And okay, pass the talk to come to make peace. The next thing he called it talk say Enogie no like you no I say this one what's this one they try to do? I know say that thing guy job be. The next thing you the shot police you want to keep shoe. Why something like that now?
Tell you.
Eh? God of mercy. The thing, no, make she not try.
Now, they will know now. All our friends who they follow and go so if they use their tongue, they count their teeth now. That's what you be now.
Make she calm down. Make she calm down. Eh? Make she calm down. You marriage, we use the here now. They want to do you at least as a woman. Before man say, okay, don't look. This man don't deal with you for how long now? Don't do tradition. You will calm down. Any character where you know say all those anger, all those aggressiveness, you calm down, you stop it.
Thank you, Jare. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will see. Network you are with it, man. You really the precious meditate here. Hello. Oh, yes, you. Yeah, Mommy Yuri. So. Maya Wama. You really have video.
Yeah.
Now we kiss when woman like a woman real life.
Yeah, no, what you said you.
Okay.
Okay, I did la video. Family wama de aware.
Where's no Tani? Before now, Magui. La video. Not yet, not a Magui, la video, na ma veria no boom. You are where you will let you know, the way I tell you la video. because anything no you way about live video na we yan mu ya saga re ni tell you mo wa we gu na o la live video you know there because o tell live video if we do that we pranking no no we maybe ni na imi or see because ni ya won o ma mi ame de mo pa imi ba gbe
you we wrong giwe
di yo we wrong giwe o mo pa imi yo wrong ge o mo pa imi ni yari o na o pa kekan ni ge ya ti e boy o imi ame o pa ni 6 years ago mo pa imi oro no na ma ra gbe oro le la Facebook we are here with Facebook we are here with TikTok we don't like that for we are not popular no o ina worry no there ina iwo ma gi mari o wa e chaza pa na gbo we yo pon na mi pa yes we no hu mi wa we mi a bene isaga no we do ta ma we yan me ekwe mamu wa na isaga ma o for we a marriage day there's only my wa go no wa la TikTok ona wa ya gbe favor was I mean no ma you no can you like on la Facebook in
marriage joke hello river
iye ma support e ni a o iye ma support e ni a iye ri wa ni a iye ma support e iye wa gui iye we wona mi gbe character we ri o e obi yon na ri o wa da fun wa igu ye yen ragbon yo da fun we ragbon o wa le family wa ri Facebook there is nothing to justify even no ya defend igbe you no see yen na ri Facebook that is the truth she's just being wicked I'm more that for what to
no wa ke wa gbe o meta lo majuwede
o mai talo mai yende me so talo matan ni hiri me so talo mation e o vi abe ni vi hameno do mi ha me vi ge go ke for peace to reign ivi ya imi ma vi mi akire owo ma omo ya compare on da faire il da fait mon mitiridi il da fait non pas et o ya o da faire compare me do ha me wilare o ngona yo da faire compare meni we ne ya de we no see no da fia na we ni a unia we total ne ya de we come my sister you say your husband caring nice and my husband no dey show me this kind care and love wetin you dey do for your husband no we live have learn e we ne you no da fia no yin care ni anya odo ime karata ike wa gon wa mo gbogbo iye me
ya no what pa another question egbe o ije Nora mo nyime abi e mo nyime
you know that even one single cent of regard in no one
okay what's na ya mu go jo ho
ite wo fi were ite wo fi were pa and then atabi pass so
I preach every time
ite wo fi were I thought maybe ya go your one change
o me na na che police negbe o me no wa na offend over ni begi or claim me right I married a woman ni
and on your back when ni make aro me clear gbe so ni awon me we are iwe tasi en your pa e offend me ni mana gbe so me offend yen but we are near your banner how when money ya en when you may offend me there where we be gbon wa radio or claim me right
I offended me over who right.
And then my way in the ceremony.
Right, where me area living, where I preach with the
young. It was very red flag
now. Me marriage ni wa odanji. Wa we besha.
It was very red flag now, Mommy Yuri. Right from again my way in the